Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you our top 5 picks to buy from Amazon for any men's special occasions like Father's Day, anniversary, birthdays, and so on. Links are available in the description below. The first item in our list is SMIRLY cheese board and knife set. This wood platter is for wine, cheese, and meat. Unlike other charcuterie boards, SMIRLY platter sets are crafted from beautiful bamboo, making them the perfect appetizer serving surface for fruits, cheeses, crackers and more. Unlike some dishes, our perfectly sized cheese and cracker tray is big enough for any occasion. Dazzle your guests at your next fancy wine and cheese tasting party with this set. Our large platter is your all-in-one appetizer tray, featuring a slide-out drawer with stainless steel knives and serving tools included. Grooved edges perfectly hold crackers or meats, with 5 serving sections that can be filled with fruit, bread, nuts, and other savory foods. The matching bamboo snack board will perfectly complement your decadent cheese board. Whether you're looking for wedding registry ideas or searching for darling housewarming presents, our unique cheese board platter set will make a wonderful present for any occasion. The next item in our list is multifunctional charging station and organizer. You can charge your cell phone, keep your daily used things at hand at any time. It is 100% natural and eco-friendly. This stand is made of solid ash tree and covered with non-toxic protective finishing. Ash tree has a very beautiful and unique structure. It is 100% quality, strong and sturdy. For making these stands we use only the best high-quality solid wood. The surface is smoothly polished and covered with durable finishing, perfectly fits into any interior. The third item in our list is LED flashlight gloves gifts for men. With this large hands fingerless gloves helps you to operate your task easily. The light the fingerless LED flashlight gloves produce is more directed, even not scaring away wildlife. The powerful light gloves provide adequate light to enable you to perform your duties at night conveniently. This is the must-have gift for grandma to do sewing and read, gifts for father to do fishing and car repairing, gifts for mother to run and do dog walking. The fourth item in the list is Lifestraw personal water filter for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. The microfiltration membrane removes 99% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, and 99% of waterborne parasites, including Giardia and Cryptosporidium. It removes the smallest microplastics found in the environment down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity down to 0.2 microns. This product went rigorous testing. All claims are verified with laboratories using standard testing protocols set by the US EPA, NSF, ASTM for water purifiers. The long lifetime of microbiological filter will provide 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons of clean and safe drinking water with proper use and maintenance for every Lifestraw product purchased. A school child in need receives safe drinking water for an entire school year. It is made of BPA-free materials. The last time on the list is Tile Mate is a Bluetooth tracker, keys finder, and item locator for keys, bags, and more. It is water resistant, with 1-year replaceable battery, directly attached mate to everyday things like keys, bags, and other stuff you need to keep track of regularly.